Hello everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's a happy day today and I can't believe that I'm doing this video. My channel just clocked 10,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you all so much. Thank you. This morning when I woke up, I checked, it was almost there and I thought I'm going to wait exactly 10,000 and then I'll start to film the video. So, first of all, I just want to thank you all for being such an amazing audience. If it weren't for you, what I'm doing wouldn't have any purpose and it wouldn't make any sense. So thank you so much for being so supportive and encouraging, for believing in me, for watching my videos. You are absolutely an amazing audience and I appreciate every single one of you. And that is why I decided to give everyone a free gift. So I designed 2 digital kits for you to download for free. You just need to go to my website, go to free download section and download. Once you get there, you might see a pop-up box which asks you to subscribe to the newsletter. You don't have to do that. You can just click outside of the box. But if you do, there's something special for you there. Those of you who subscribe to my newsletter are going to get an extra special gift. And just to let you know that as soon as I upload this video, I will send my first ever newsletter to those of you who subscribed. So I thought today I'll make a little something with these digital kits that I prepared for you. First, I want to tell you about them. There's this one with just backgrounds, and these are the backgrounds I created in that video on dyeing printables. Okay, they look really good when they're printed. And I plan to use them in my journals or to make envelopes and to do journal covers, to do journal pages. It depends on what type of paper you print them. It's quite a good variety, so you can get different looks. You can add drawings, you can glue things. They would work well in a journal. That's one. It's called set 1 of backgrounds. 12 different backgrounds for you to download for free. Now set 2 also has 12 pages, also available as A4 and letter size. And the difference between those two is that whilst these are plain backgrounds, these are lined papers, okay? These same backgrounds with lines, okay? So they're perfect for junk journals if you like to write, and some are going that way. So they're actually really good for those tall skinny journals. Okay, these are going across. I'll separate them so that you can see what I mean. And I printed plain on one side and with lines or checkered pattern on this side. Just my preference. You can print any way you like, but that's those same backgrounds for junk journals. And I think should be equal number of vertical and horizontal. I think this is music page. It's that one and just this one. So they're the pages that you are welcome to download for free and use in your junk journals, including junk journals that you sell. All I ask of you is not to make it part of another digital kit. Okay? You're welcome to share the link to anyone who wishes to download from my website, but please don't distribute any other way. So that is my gift for you all. And I hope you really have fun and enjoy this. Now, those of you who subscribe to my newsletter, and as I said earlier, the first one is going out as soon as I upload this video, you're going to get a special gift. And that is this weekly planner page. Okay, that's what it looks like. It is black and white for a special reason. You can choose to print it black and white like this, or you can print any background, including these backgrounds. You print the background and then you feed the paper inside of your printer again with that side on, And then you print just black and white version of this on top, and you end up with this. And when you do that, possibilities are endless. You can use them together with these backgrounds, or you can use them with any backgrounds that you have or that you created. I'll just give you some examples here. Like I printed this file on top of the backgrounds that I've shown you earlier, and you can choose one and print them all the same, or you can choose different ones so that you have different pages. If you prefer just white, that's also good for that. You just print that on both sides and then you keep folding. For the first page, I usually don't print on the back because it works best when you can see it like this. So here you have weekly planner from, to, and year. Then you have your current projects, you have your ideas, you have your inspiration, you have your thoughts and observations. And then on this side, which is the same week, you have your priorities, you have notes, you have a little table here with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You got your appointment, reminders, and a checklist. I hope I covered everything. At least I covered what really is important to me. I suspect for most people is the same. And today I'll just put together one little journal using this weekly planner. I'll print it both sides, okay? And now all I have to do is just fold them all in half. About a week ago, I started working on this project because I could see that my channel was heading towards 10k subscribers, so I wanted to be ready when that happens, but I didn't want to record the video until it actually happened. So I'm very excited about this. As I said, I can't say thank you enough. Only 2 years ago, I was still walking baby steps in this amazing junk journal community. I uploaded my first video at the beginning of July in 2021, and that was a flip-through video of a custom-made journal. It makes me feel uncomfortable watching that video. I was so timid and so scared, and since then I've grown, I've changed, and I'm happy with how it all progressed, but it did take 2 years. So for those 2 years, I worked very hard to get better at creating quality content for you on my channel. And it has been such a wonderful journey, and I plan to stay on it for as long as I can. Since I published that first video, I shared another 170 videos on my channel. They're mostly tutorials, there are flip-throughs, and there's some process videos. I try to respond to all your comments, and I absolutely love your comments. They always inspire me, and I try to respond to them as quickly as I could. Sometimes it takes me a few days, sometimes I'm able to do it straight away, but I try to respond to every single comment, and I hope I'll be able to continue doing so. I folded all of these. I think I have 15 or 16 pages. Now you've noticed the first one I did not print the planner page, only this one. I'm not going to go and spend hours on arranging these. They're all different and I like them to be different, so I'll just put them like that, one inside of the other as they come. And hopefully when I use this planner, I'll get inspired every time. Yeah. If you like just white pages, that's fine. I don't really. If they're white, they're going to stay white forever. Yeah, I don't know, I'm weird like that. Okay, so that is all the pages. Now, I have option of trimming down this, but I'm not going to. I don't actually mind it being uneven here and here. Okay, because if I do that, I'll probably lose quite a lot from these pages. And I don't mind. I want this to be like a little notebook. And I prepared a little, like a journal cover that is made from 2 large envelopes. Okay, I'll just quickly show you. So there's 2 large envelopes that I've dyed using that bubble technique. Actually, one is just plain white and the other one is dyed. It has 2 pockets, okay, and it has this policy closure, and I used some of these flowers that I've drawn. It's just a simple little cover, and now I can put these pages in here, okay. And also I can do the same with these. I could have maybe, I could even have 2 perhaps, or just have 1, and maybe make another one with these pages. If you don't want to use planner pages, you can use these pages to do the same, and you can combine them with the plain backgrounds or with your own papers. It's up to you, but I'm just giving you an example using the planner pages because I really want to make this one for myself. I really need it desperately. I've been writing my plans on all sorts of papers that are like tucked and pinned everywhere, then I lose track. And I thought, yeah, I better organize myself better if I want to be serious about what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to bind this with the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I don't feel like measuring, but maybe I should just find the middle here, put a little dot, and maybe 2 centimeters. Okay, let's put that in the middle here. Just clip it. So I'm going to just poke holes. I'm sure you know how to do this, but might as well. Show you. So this is going to be a really simple journal or notebook, and I need 3 lengths. I'm just using black wax thread. Just go there. I think it's all right. I'll just do a double knot in here. And that's probably the quickest journal that I've ever made. Just using printables. But, you know, if you're using it just for writing, you know, sometimes it's all it takes. Alright, so I have place here to put like little notes and things like that, sketches perhaps and all of that, and I have the rest of these to plan the videos that I'm going to do, the projects and all of it, and I really love it. I'm so happy with it. Quite a cute little book. And you know, I want something on the front. I just have to decide what I want. I have this thing, I can glue that down. It would look interesting, wouldn't it? Then I have this envelope that I kind of decorated. I kind of like that as well, and it has a little pocket here and there. And then I have this one, this floating bookmark that has a pen holder, and I'm thinking because this is going to be my planner, perhaps Although I like the look of this one and that one, perhaps this will be the most practical thing, and I can put the pen inside. I'm thinking perhaps I should do a video tutorial on how to create this little journal cover, this simple one with these big envelopes. Let me know if that's what you'd like, and perhaps you can help me fill out my weekly planner. Let me know in the comments what sort of videos you'd like me to do. More tutorials, more flip-throughs, or more no talking videos. That would be great. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again so much for helping me get to this milestone. I hope you like your gift, and I hope you have lots and lots of fun with it. If you want the weekly planner page, please subscribe to my newsletter. Newsletter is something that I'm starting. It's going to be the first one ever. I intend to always put a special gift in there. Apart from the free printables that I offer on my webpage, the newsletter is going to have obviously something more. Sometimes there'll be coupons, and I will also inform you of what is happening, what's new on my channel and my Etsy shop. Okay, thank you again, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.